Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping devices. Make sure the watch and your phone are charged and sitting within a few meters. On your phone, enable Bluetooth and disable other active connections so the scan is clean. On the boat watch, open the connectivity or settings screen and activate pairing mode. This makes the watch discoverable. Once done, keep both screens active and visible. Because the next steps require quick confirmation prompts on each device to accept pairing and any permission requests. Now, on your phone, go to Bluetooth settings and start a device scan. Locate the boat watch by its model name or boat watch label. Tap to pair, then immediately check the watch screen. Confirm the same PIN or pairing code on both devices to prevent mismatches. Grant the watch requested permissions like location and notification access so features work correctly. Make sure to accept media or call permissions only if you want audio routing. Otherwise, deny to keep it notification only. Finish by verifying both devices display a connected status and that the watch shows phone battery and time sync. These confirm a proper link. Test functionality. Trigger a notification, start a workout, or play audio to verify routing and control. If something fails, first restart both devices and try pairing again. If still unresolved, forget the device on the phone and reinitiate pairing, or reset network settings on the watch. One key troubleshooting tip: ensure no other paired device is actively connecting to the phone during this process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.